Hi guys.
Hi guys.
Anong sabihin mo sa Japan?
Arigatou gozaimasu.
Second vlog, hindi pa rin ako tapos sa mga piluini natin. Oh, grabe ang ano namin dito. Snack. Atchal guys. We call that atchal in the Philippines, mahal. Ano naman ito? Bakit ka nandyan? Are we singing now? Karaoke?
No.
What?
Alright, I'll sing tequila song.
Just tequila. Tan 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 tequila. Tanan tanananan tan tananan tan tan
Tequila!
Hello. Where did he go? There's a lot of fireworks already, mahal.
Yeah.
Kanina ko pa naririnig. Dance! Wow! Tequila! Dali, kebot-kebot mo!
No.
No! Then. Ikot! Higa! Tan 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 tan. Ikot! Higa! Tan 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 tan. Ayos ka! Hey, Google!
Señorita and something else, la la.
Tulungan niya daw ako, mag-fold daw siya ng mga panty ng nanay niya. Oh, pataka ka lang, wala jud na fold.
Yes, Mama.
Opo, very good. Magsali ka muna, Happy New Year, guys!
New Year, guys.
Anong ginagawa mo? Tingnan niyo, nag-fold daw siya ng mga panty ko. Ayusin mo pag-fold. Wala na fold yan. Ayusin mo. Kunin mo ulit. Handa namin sa New Year, guys. In 3, 2, 1. Popcorn for New Year, guys. Happy New Year. Putukan na. Wow! Tapos meron pa talagang paparmesan. Pero ayaw dumikit. Wala silang powdered cheese dito eh. Nagpahanap ako kay Daniel. Hingi ako ha. Hingi si Mama. Lekker hoor. Wow. Mamaya pa yun si Bianan, guys. Doon po yun siya mag-dinner sa panganay niyang anak. O diba? Kanya-kanya po kami dito. Yan sabi ko ba? Ibang-iba sa Pilipinas. Is this for Mama? Merry Christmas! Thank you po! Inday Garnet, asa na ang prosperity bowl ba yan? Ang tawag dyan? Wala po tayo. Hindi yan uso sa Netherlands, guys. Parang si Precious lang. Sa buong Netherlands, ang nagawa niyan. Oh, parang gumawa siya eh. Si Maricel, hindi din po. Tsaka wala din tayong pa-prutas. Wala, ano lang masyado. Simple lang masyado ang ating New Year, guys. Hindi nga ako nagluto eh. Nag-order lang po ako ng tapas. Dadating yun maya. Tingnan nyo, kaganda po ng bigay ni Bianan na Christmas card. Tapos, sa likod po niyan, ganito siya. Nakalagay sa envelope, ganyan. Tapos, pag iganon nyo po, nandyan si Baby Jesus. At sa likod naman, may nakasulat na Lieve Garnet, Daniel, and Nathaniel. Eventually find a cash dagen en veel liefde en gezondheid voor het jaar 2025. Ik hou van jullie, liefs Vika. Oh, so sweet! I-prepare na po natin to. Bumili ako ng mga tapas din po. Ayan. Sa ating vlog kahapon. At mga cold meats there para mailagay natin siya dito. Okay. Naghugas na po ako ng kamay, guys. Para pagdating po ni Bianan mamaya. Yan ay Prosecco.
I Prosecco.
Yeah, Prosecco. Ready na po siya. Meron tayong salame Milano at spinata romana. Meron din po tayong cheese at tomato. Ito naman, bell pepper na maliit. Tapos may cheese po siya sa loob. At yung ating, ano to, olives with garlic. May nanungkit na guys. May nanungkit na.
To the new year. And good riddance to the old.
Wow.
I will get 8.
Yeah, Kas? I should leave. Sabihin mo, Happy New Year, Kuya Derich. Sabihin mo, Happy New Year!
Happy New Year!
Wait lang, nagpagaw si Mamang Ganggeng.
He's giving... He's throwing...
Nagpagaw si Mamang Ganggeng.
She's throwing money. Busy sila guys. Nagpaagaw daw si Mamang ng pera. That's why she has a lot of cash doing this. This morning. Kaya pala, kaya ano niya pala yun guys. Ipamigay niya po no. Ito na order natin guys.
Sushi! Sushi!
Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Ano to siya? 7 kinds of tapas. Wala tayong sushi for tonight, okay?
Mama?
7 kinds of tapas. Abango guys, tingnan nyo. Chicken barbecue, chicken wings. Baka puro chicken ito. Wow, ano po to? Bola-bola with tomato sauce. Ooh, with rice. Wow. Rice and vegetables. That is... Ooh, veggie. Wow, dami nating handa, guys. Alamaldingan. All the tapas in the world. With rice.
That's a nice tapa.
Wow!
Oh, spare ribs.
Spare rib. Yeah, tapas for 2. And...
I think
wow,
we
not
will eat
bad.
a lot.
Not bad, guys.
Yeah.
Hindi ko in-expect na ganito. Kuwakaling totoong tapas ba? Pa spare rib pa. At meron pa silang pa ganito. Ham with melon mahal.
Oh, nice. That's nice. I like it.
Yeah.
That's,
Happy New Year, everyone. Chicken.
Patatas bravas. Do you want mayo with your patatas bravas?
No, I want rice.
Oh.
Maybe because they know what we're ordering here, mahal.
No,
Yes.
I don't think so.
What with
Wow.
chicken?
Lagyan natin yan lahat kung anong meron dito ng sinatan. And rice.
Nice.
Wow. Tingnan mo.
Wow.
Wow.
Nice.
Mushroom. Di ba? Magkain ka rin ng mushroom? And mushroom yan. Kain, everyone.
Kain.
Happy New Year, guys. You know, in the Philippines, my love, that we cannot eat if it's not 12 yet. Ginagawa niyo pa ba yan?
No, that's not true. Your family eats before it.
Yeah, my family. But before, my family also does that. But now not anymore. Dati ginagawa po namin yan.
Yeah, that is so that the children who will sleep before 12, they won't eat your food.
Uy, because all the children need to be... magising sila. They will wake up during the night, mahal.
Huh?
I was also always waken up by my father.
Yeah. Wake up, go eat. You went to sleep hungry, now eat. Enjoy.
Enjoy, baby love. Dali, kain. Spare rib.
A little bit of sweet and savory.
Kain ka marami, ha? Masarap yan. Wow, ribs. Sabi ko, hindi muna. You know what I was thinking? Let's not do ribs now. Maybe we can do tapas and the tapas have ribs.
Hmm?
Look, Mama. Look,
Hmm?
What is more expensive, ribs or tapas?
Mama.
The same.
Yes,
Right.
Mama.
But this one you have everything. You have.
Huh?
Hmm? Keep? There is a keep. Hi.
Hmm.
Dali na kain.
Take me.
Hmm? Patilya. Ow! He has ribs on his teeth. He wants me to help him.
Hmm?
Mama help you. And the chicken.
Hmm.
Lekker hoor. Kain muna kami guys ha. Enjoy na muna namin tong dinner namin.
I also want to try some of the rice.
Yeah, super yummy mahal. With all the veggies in the world, yung kanilang rice. Perfect talaga ang kanilang ribs ba. Kalambot.
Hmm?
Kadami pagod na tira. Ito hindi na tumakain bukas. Dami pa guys. Sinatan, hataw din.
You said 7 tapas?
Yeah. It's not 7? 1,
It's
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh yeah, 8.
But it's rice and fries.
Yeah. You like it?
Yeah.
You like it, Nathan?
I enjoy it.
Yeah, me too.
Especially this one. That they have a grilled veggie with it. That was
Yeah,
good.
grilled veggie. Wow! Tingnan niyo siya. Hala! First time ni Nathan! Wow! Tawagan niya daw si Itay. Feeling ko lasing na yan. I think he's already hubog, mahal. Maybe you should call Garner.
Asleep.
Sabi, Happy New Year, ma.
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year, man!
Natulog na?
New Year, nag-iyak.
Hala! Nagaiyak! She's crying, man.
Less than 3 months, then we'll be there.
Happy candy say lollipop.
Yes.
Happy candy say chocolate.
Happy New Year. Sabihin mo Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year! Let's make this a good one.
Happy New Year, dali.
Happy
Happy New Year! Happy New Year!
Happy New Year, guys!
Happy New Year!
Hala! Babe, babe, babe. Bahay kubo daw, bahay. Kanta mo.
Bahay kubo
Bahay kubo.
Katulo. Bahay kubo katulo. Ilakas mo tayo asal. Sana kakakaka.
Hi!
Happy New Year, Tay! Gising pa pala. Akala ko lasing na. Akala ko lasing na.
Hi! Happy New Year!
He's very busy, Vika. He is playing Mario Kart. Now, ipakita mo kay Oma ang Mario Kart mo. Volleyball! Paano, Oma? Nagdala siya, guys. Yung binake ng kuya ni Daniel. Oh, that is fail. No egg, Vika?
No egg.
Okay. Kadami nang nagpapa-fireworks dito. Ang mga kapitbahay namin, guys, mayayaman.
Whoa!
With the sugar on top. Wow, lekker hoor. Do you also want, mahal?
Dat gaat
Later lang now.
Okay, I want. Lekker!
Hoe smaakt dat? Die heeft oom Ruben gemaakt.
May apple daw yun sa loob. Yung akin
Ay,
naman
goed.
normal.
Okay, ja, okay.
Dat ging goed. Heel goed kauwen, hè? Nathan?
Sarap, ubos ng akin.
Yummy.
In de Filipijnen is het al zeker...
Yeah, it's already Happy New Year.
Ja.
Philippines. Uy, ubos na. Wala na. Nakadalawa ka na.
Goed zo. Good zo.
Nakakain ng dalawa.
Lekker, hè?
Wil je vuurwerk zien?
Yeah, tuurlijk.
Heb je vuurwerk?
Yeah. Wow!
Roos, ja.
Yan lang ang fireworks namin, guys, oh. Ah, that's all?
It's mahal.
It's for Nathan. Hindi na yan siya gisingin mamaya, guys. Next year na po yan siya magising. Next year, I will wake him up starting next year, Vika.
Oh, oké.
Every New Year. Not this year.
Daar komt hij weer hoor, daar komt hij weer.
Second one. Wow!
Mooi.
That is mooi. Nabili namin sa Macro. Yun lang. 2 seconds. Yeah. Ay, krapius eh. Si Papa, dali na.
Ik wil er ook in.
Hey, 2.
Groen.
Mooi.
Oh, mooi hè?
Wow, 5 seconds.
Wauw.
Oh, more than 5 seconds. This is very, very light fireworks.
Yeah.
Because fireworks were only allowed around this time in you know, the New Year, or around the New Year. What I mean around this time is in the evening only. But this is so light, so little black powder that you're allowed to do this the whole year. I guess this is very late. Okay.
Ja, kom.
Wow!
Gaan we binnen. Wow.
Wow!
Yay!
Blij jongetje. Super. Nou, let op hoor, dan gaat hij weer. Daar komt hij weer, zo. Wow.
How about the children here, Vika? What age do they wake? You know, in what age?
Maybe 7, 8,
Yeah, 7 or 8. Yeah.
6, 7.
Sabi din ni Bianan, wag na daw muna gisingin si Nathan. Patulogin ko yan mamaya. Next year niyan siya pag 4 na.
Wow.
Is moy!
It's the same one as the previous one. Nou, de laatste. De laatste.
You know, in the Philippines, we wake them up even if they're newborn.
Oh yeah?
Kijk Nathan, kijk, cluster! No more?
Oh.
That's all?
It stopped. It did not go.
Oy, don't go there, mahal, hayat, mahal.
No, I'll leave it outside for a while.
Ja, because
Ja.
dat is...
Yeah.
De
Dangerous.
eerste dode is al gevallen met vuurwerk.
Yeah?
What is that?
Someone died. Ik deed het niet, ging die kijken en toen ontplofte het.
In zijn hoofd.
Is er,
Oh my gosh, waar, Vika, waar?
Dat weet ik niet. Het staat vast wel...
Also in the Philippines, Vika, in the news, also died and lost their arm.
Yeah.
Ja, hè?
Yeah. Diba, meron guys, yung ano, matanda daw, 71 years
one
old.
of my-
Namatay ba yun?
One of the rules of firework.
What?
Once it's lit, if it doesn't go, don't light it again.
Yeah, don't like it.
Also, if it stops and you think like, huh, I need to go look what is happening, don't. Just
Yeah.
stay away.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Make it splash daw, mahal.
I don't want to make it splash.
1, 2, 3. Ah!
There, it splashed.
Ah!
Look at here on the floor.
What was that, Nathan? Ito pala guys, kay Bianan pala to. Akala ko bili ni Daniel. Bigay niya pala yan sa amin. Buhay pa rin siya. This is real, Vika, right? Very good pa rin siya.
Nata.
Nathan.
Proost.
Proost. Op
Pros!
een mooi nieuwjaar.
What? What did he say to you?
Proost, Daniel.
Sa akin, Roberto.
Proost.
Ang apelido ko. Roast Ida?
Proost, Nathaniel.
Roast Nathaniel!
Zeg maar, Proost, Garnet.
Pro, si Oma din, si Oma. Si Oma, Wika, dali. Wika, Prost.
Daniel, Prost!
Hup, valt op de grond.
Hey,
Prost. Oh, tama na. No more na, dan now.
Zo, de laatste keer.
Laatste.
Proost, Nathan.
Ahem, ahem.
Ja, en dan moet ik... Kijk, zo.
Grabe ang energy. Tingnan mo.
Ja,
Ga maar zitten. Ga ik duwen. Ga jij maar zitten, ga ik duwen.
Grabe ang energy niya, guys. Kakaiba si...
Lekker.
Doe maar.
Itulak mo si Papa, dali.
Doe maar. Gaan we ook nog vooruit of wat? Doe maar.
Itulak mo, dali.
Nou, gebeurt hier helemaal niks. Gebeurt hier helemaal
1, 2. And then now, Nathan, Papa. Upo ka, kay tulak ka ni Papa. Nathan, anong sabihin mo sa Japan?
Arigato gozaimasu.
He's already practicing.
Domo arigato, Mr. Roboto.
Huh? Domo arigato?
Mr. Roboto.
Who is that?
That's a song.
Ah?
Dito, tato.
Nabasa na gud siya, oh. Nagpatulak na din siya sa wakas.
Look at Oma.
Ja, oma duwen.
Agoy. Ang sakit ang likod nito. Oh, makanit na. Whoa! How are you? Fine, thank you. Kita lang talaga naglinis ako dito sa taas.
Politieauto?
Ja.
Oké.
Patulogin na si Nathan.
Oh.
One Sunday morning, the warm sun came up, and pop, out of the egg came a tiny and very hungry caterpillar. Whoa! Started to look for some food.
Apple.
First an apple. On Tuesday, he ate through 2 pears,
Yes.
and he was still hungry. On Wednesday, he ate through 3 plums. Yeah, but he was still hungry. A slice of
Aww. So sweet. Thank you, mahal.
a cupcake.
Ito na ang trip namin, guys. Hanggang mamaya na to, alas 12. Hanggang mag-New Year na to. What time is it now? It's already 9. Nakatulog na si Nathan. Congrats, mahal.
Thank you. You sound so sincere.
Congrats, ha. You won the first game.
The first game.
It's already 10:17, everyone. Look at that. So, what did you see? Wow! Gabi, our neighbors here are very rich, mahal. Kanina pa yan sila ba?
Money.
Oh, yeah.
Almost literally.
How about us? We only have the 10 euros fireworks.
We spent about 20 euros on fireworks this year.
Yeah.
No, maybe a little bit more because we had the sterrages, the sparklers.
Yung mga ganun daw, that cost 100 euros, right? You said? And
No,
more.
not this one. It's cheap.
I like this.
When you have the really big giant fireworks, that's not.
And this one, like this. How much is that, you think? Wow! You see that, everyone? Bad trip din sa
Yes.
pailaw dito sa bahay, eh. How much is that?
Maybe 40 euros.
I like that.
Unless it goes on a lot longer, then it's more.
Dobby, let's see the scores, Dobby. 51. What are you, 30? Si Daniel. Lekker. I think I can smell, mahal. Something.
What can you smell? Your own fart?
No, that I'm winning.
Yeah, sounds like you can smell your own fart. Dus er is 14. Er is 19, min 1 is 18. 18. Dan is het 2.
Hindi pa natapos. Tingnan nyo. Sinira na ni Mika.
En ik heb 7 en tweede nog bij is 9 punten.
So,
Dus dan gaan we... nou, gefeliciteerd Wieke.
Gefeliciteerd.
wait here. Say it. I said it.
Congratulations that your husband won the last game. And that you won this game. I love you.
Okay. Wow! Malapit na guys. 3 minutes na lang. Are we going out? Of course, right?
What?
We're going out?
Ja.
Yeah.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year!
Wow! Happy New Year! Happy New Year,
Happy New Year,
Vina.
my love.
Happy New Year, Vika.
Happy New Year, dan.
Happy New
Gelukkig
Year.
nieuwjaar.
Ja, stap.
Busy na yan sila masyado ba? Sa paputok. Mag-inom na muna
Nee,
ng
maar ik moet buiten
champagne.
zijn als je een beetje goed bevulling hebt.
Umuulan. Hindi normal.
Nou.
Yeah, it's raining. Wow! Cheers, everyone!
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year, guys!
New Year!
Are the neighbors outside? No?
No. I can hear a lot. I don't see a lot if I put my head out the window.
Maybe on the back, mahal. They're still busy. Uy, just like us, they're still inside the house.